Hello and welcome to another update video about PEPE. Yeah, quick PEPE update. The structure itself hasn't changed, which means we are still below resistance. Just tidy this up a little bit, but we are still below the resistance range here, which ranges all the way up to 162.931. That resistance range was already or is already well known to anybody who watched previous videos. So as long as we stay below that range between 155, 600 and that 162, 850 level, now I've slightly moved it, but you know, plus minus a few fractions of a cent. I mean, you have the 4 zeros in front. So anyway, that's the resistance area highlighted in red. And the idea was that as long as we are below that, I don't have any clear confirmation that we have already started that one more high. I'd like to see one more high on this chart in wave 5 of C. Okay, could even reach up to 248076 if it stretches high. So either way, you know, I don't have a confirmation for a substantial top in place until we get a break below 104.969. I'm still leaning towards one more high. Over recent weeks, PEPE followed the analysis nicely. I have to say though that we are now increasing risk, because I had down here a support area that was a decent setup, which I've taken the support area off the chart because we don't need it anymore. The price did break out. A few weeks ago I talked about it on X, about PEPE, and bear in mind there is currently still a poll running on X, so feel free to check it out and follow us there. There will be another coin I'm updating. I'm going to make a video on only for the X community on Saturday probably. So you can go there and vote if you're interested. And so in similar ways to, as we did it for PEPE at the time. And from there, the price rallied like 240, 250%. So that was a decent setup. I have only here one more support area on the chart, but I think we could be very close to a top. Still, there is potential from here for another, you could say 80% rally. And then we just need to see how far it extends. Further extensions are always possible as long as support areas or levels are holding. But the next larger pullback and next decent setup could be this larger degree wave 4 as soon as this third wave is finished, as per the white count. I'm going to definitely give you a support area then for this wave 4. Where that will land is not, I can't determine that yet. First of all, I need that full wave count because this support area for this larger 4 would still move higher with the price. At the moment, what we should focus on is this support area here between 104.969 and 143.589. The price is in that support zone, similar zone to what I had down here, even though this was a larger wave degree. And the price is still caught in a correction. It's possible in an alternative perspective that this wave 4 is already in, but we didn't reach the 38.2 retracement at 127.386. So normally I'd like to, it to reach that level ideally, and maybe a little lower. At the moment, I'm thinking it would reach the area between the 38.2 and the 50% FIB level, but please be aware there is a trend line in the way. Okay, so that trend line, which has provided support since the middle of April, could also provide support again. So I'm open to the idea that the low is already in. Again, it's all about the levels. Okay, we have a pullback in an uptrend, can be an opportunity, might go down a little lower. I have no evidence that the low is in, but a break above the last high at 152.500 pretty much would indicate that a low could be in. And we would then need to get a break above resistance, of course, and then the next upside FIB levels to watch. So I don't think the 175.583 level is too relevant here. There is some Fibonacci confluence, like a cluster of different levels here around 185.619 to 188.358. And then above that, 205.987 are the next upside FIB levels to watch. In a really favorable environment, I could see it stretch to 248.076 possibly. That's my update about PEPE. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.